What is the now bar and how you can use it on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. Now the now bar is a pill-shaped interface element located on the lock screen, typically between the phone and the camera shortcuts. Right here, it displays live notifications and controls for active apps, allowing you to manage tasks like music playback, timers, or navigation directly from the lock screen. To enable and customize the now bar, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we then scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. In here, if you tap on always on display, you can also turn on show now bar for the always on display lock screen. Out here is another option. So if you tap on now bar, it will allow you to customize more options. Here in live notifications, we have support for Spot from Google, Maps, Samsung Health, Interpreter, Clock, Voice Recorder, Samsung Note, and Emergency Sharing. So all of these options can be turned on or switch off for now bar. And that's it. So you can access it from the lock screen and always on display. You can also stack multiple now bars. So when multiple apps are active, the now bar can display stack bars on the lock screen. You can swipe between them to access different controls. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen.